So here's a choke manifold. Start off with everything closed. These valves are open at the moment. So to line up to do a hard shut, and you can see the chokes are closed now. That's the remote choke, and there's the manual choke over here. You can see they're both on 0. So they're both closed. Now this part here is your choke manifold. So you need 2 valves open. You need to leave this one. You need to have this one open because we're going to be reading the casing pressure on out of this tap 3 here. And one of these needs to be closed as well. Usually the one before. The reason we have this closed is that the remote choke is not a tested unit. So when we shut the well in, we need to know it's shut in positively on this gate valve here. The standpipe manifold's over here on the left hand side, so open both pumps. This is the standpipe line up here, and make sure both pumps are lined up to the standpipe, which goes up to the top drive. And down the drill pipe, down the drill, down the pipe. Okay. So okay, these choke and kill lines. This is the choke line here, and the kill line here. They go down to the BOP. As you can see here, the kill line and the choke line. This is a surface stack. And we're lined up here for drilling with the valves closed on the kill and choke line, and all the rams and the annular are in the open position. We've got 1500 on your manifold, and we should have about 1000 on the annular, between 500 and 1500 on the annular. So we'll just bring the annular pressure down a little bit. So we'll decrease it. Notice I press that push to operate button on the left hand. That's the master valve. Every operation on the BOP has got to be two-handed operation, so you need to press that and then press that at the same time. Okay. So there we've got 1000 on your annular, which is just controlling the annular on the BOP. The 1500 PSI are closing the rams, will operate the rams and the choke and kill lines. So we'll just go back to here. So this now is lined up for a hard shut-in with the valve closed.